Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts. Be free.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be helping you guys doing some meal prep because I know as a busy mom, it can be so hard for us, especially in the mornings, to make sure that our kids are getting a good, healthy meal, and especially for the working moms. I am a stay-at-home mom, so generally I have a little bit more time in the morning, but still, sometimes mornings can get completely away from me depending on how late my kids woke up or what have you. But especially, I know you working moms, you're trying to get out the door in the morning, you're trying to get your kids fed, and sometimes I know, I feel you, it can be hard. You're shoving a granola bar into their hands and you're just like sending them off to school, and that's not what you want for your kids. That's not what I want for your kids. So I'm going to show you guys some breakfast meal prep ideas that you can do that take very little time and that can be stored for the week, or you can freeze them or what have you, in order that you always have something nutritious that you can give your kids on the way to school or before school or whatever. And I also wanted to take a second and show you a really cool product that was sent to me by a company called maxtek. And they sent me this awesome glass whiteboard, which I think is so pretty, and I have been using it to plan all of my meals. I've been trying to get more into meal planning lately, and you guys are going to see more videos coming from me in the future. Today we're going to be doing breakfast meal prep ideas. I'm also going to do lunch meal prep ideas and then dinner meal prep ideas, and let me know if you guys want to see a snack meal prep idea as well. And I've been trying to do that lately so that I can make sure, because sometimes, like with every mom, right, like you're busy, you have a lot going on, and all of a sudden it gets to the end of the day and you realize, shoot, I didn't take out anything for supper, or it's early in the morning and you're in a rush, and all of a sudden you're realizing you're running late and you didn't give your kids something good for breakfast. So I want to like make sure that I'm always having on hand stuff that I can quickly heat up and give to my kids or myself, whatever, or like to feed your family. So I'm wanting to bring you guys these ideas in order to help you, and I've been trying to stay on top of my ideas and stay on top of my meal planning by using this whiteboard, which I found to be really helpful. So I am going to have their information listed in my description box below, and I would like to say thank you once again to maxtek for sending me this whiteboard. It really has been helping me, and I super appreciate it. So, but without further ado, let's jump right on into the video, and I'm going to show you guys 5 different recipes that you can make ahead for meal prep for breakfast for you and your family. These are all kid approved. My kid loves them, and I think that your kids will as well. You can like kind of customize to your own. Most of these recipes you can customize to your own liking, to your kids' liking, so you can add things in, take things away, and these are all recipes that keep well in the freezer or in the fridge for the week.
Okay guys, so the first recipe that we're going to make is energy balls, and for this you're going to need protein powder, some quick oats, some natural peanut butter. I used dark chocolate chips. You're going to need some honey and a little bit of salt. And this is such an easy recipe, you guys. Literally all you have to do is mix these ingredients together. I'm throwing up the amounts on the screen there, so you can definitely check out how much of each ingredient you need. But so easy. All you have to do is mix everything together, roll it into little balls, about the size of a Timbit if you're Canadian, if you know what a Timbit is. If you're American, you guys have Tim Hortons there, don't you? You should know what a Timbit is. But yeah, roll them into a little ball and stick them in the fridge or the freezer, depending on how hard you like them. I stuck mine in the fridge for about a half an hour or so, just until they harden up, and that is it. And because of the protein powder in this, it is going to actually be able to keep you full. I really relied on these last week. I had such a hard time with my 8-month-old at night last week, so there was a few mornings where I was just so tired, and I was so happy to have these on hand because I just gave a couple to my 4-year-old along with some fruit, and he was good to go until lunch. So these are really good, and you can also customize them and put kind of whatever toppings you like in them. Like I said, I chose dark chocolate chips, but you could add maybe some coconut in there, would be really good, or maybe like some butterscotch flavored chocolate chips. Like, you can just go crazy and add whatever toppings you like. They turned out so delicious, so super easy. You make a batch of these on Sunday, you have them throughout the week. We also use them as snacks as well, which was really awesome. So yeah, great for breakfast or snacks. So the next recipe that we're going to work on is muffins. So these are 3 ingredient muffins. All you need is quick oats, bananas, and some vanilla extract. And basically you're just gonna once again mix these ingredients together in the amounts that I have shown on the screen. And then you're going to add whatever toppings. Again, I love that these recipes are all customizable. I chose to add in dark chocolate chips for half of my batter, and then on the other half I added in blueberries. You could add raspberries. Again, you could add coconut, different flavors of chocolate chips, whatever, just go crazy. Whatever, you can concoct all sorts of little different combinations, would be delicious. And of course, keep in mind these muffins aren't going to be super soft. They don't have flour, they don't have any baking powder or anything like that, so they are definitely more dense. But it's almost like, I don't even really want to call them muffins. It's more like oatmeal in a cup, baked oatmeal even. So it's definitely more dense, but really, really delicious and really easy to take on the go. You can have these in the car on the way to school, no problem. Now, the next recipe, this kind of goes 2 different ways. So basically, I showed this on one of my previous videos, and all you're going to take is 12 eggs and the toppings of your choice, and you're basically going to make a giant omelet. But with this, you can do so many different things. So I add the cheese in, and I add a splash of hot sauce, and in my last video, I showed you guys how I made them into muffins. I just greased a muffin tin, and I ladled the mixture into it, baked it at 350 until the eggs were done, and you had these little delicious egg muffins. So super good. My 4-year-old loved them, so did my 8-month-old. But I got to thinking, why don't I make like little pancakes out of them? So I took this mixture and I just made like little pancakes out of them, little omelets, and then that way I could have them on hand to do egg sandwiches in the morning, or to do egg wraps, or even just to have it just like that and have a little omelet in the morning. So I really, really love this. Such a super easy way to make up a quick egg sandwich in the morning. Once again, if you have it in a wrap, you can just take it on the go with you. You can double your eggs. For myself, I like having more protein in the morning, so I made the breakfast burrito for myself, and I had the 2 eggs, and then my son had the egg sandwich with the 1 egg, and then my other son just had like the little omelet like that. So super awesome. You can do it in so many different ways, and once again, add your own toppings, your own combinations to customize it to you and your family, and it's a really, really quick and easy breakfast for you guys in the morning.
All right, you guys, thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I really hope that you enjoyed today's video. Let me know in the comments down below if this helped you, or if you think you're going to try out any of these recipes. I would love to know, if you tried them out, how they worked for you. I hope you guys are having an awesome day, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know.